What if I told you that even if you earn just $12 per hour, you can still build $1 million in your lifetime without winning the lottery, without crazy business ideas, and without taking huge risks? The truth is, becoming a millionaire has less to do with how much you earn and more to do with how early and how smartly you invest. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners earning $12 an hour can grow their money into $1 million with simple, proven, and realistic investment strategies you can start today. Script, full video content. Most beginners think investing is only for people with high salaries. But here's the truth. What really builds wealth is consistency, time, and compound growth. If you earn $12 per hour, that's around $2,000 per month. Now imagine if you simply invest even 10% of that, just $200 per month. With compound interest, that small amount becomes massive over time. The first step is understanding where beginners should invest. The easiest and safest starting point is index funds, especially the S&P 500. For the past 50 years, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% per year. That means your money doubles every 7 years. So if you invest $200 monthly at a 10% return, you can grow over $1 million by the time you retire. And if you increase your investment as your income grows, you reach that number even faster. But what if you want your money to grow quicker? Then you need a combination of high-income skills, side hustles, and investment diversification. Spend 1 hour a day learning a higher-paying skill like digital marketing, coding, sales, video editing, or trading basics. One upgraded skill can double your income. When your income rises, don't increase your lifestyle, increase your investments. Beginners should focus on 3 simple investment paths. First, long-term index funds, where your money grows automatically. Second, dividend stocks, which pay you passive income every quarter, like renting your money to the stock market. And third, but none of this works unless you master the most powerful tool, consistency. Even if you start with $50 a month, just start. Most millionaires didn't get rich overnight. They got rich from decades of compounding. Now let's talk mindset. Stop trying to get rich fast. Instead, try to get rich certain. Avoid emotional trading. Avoid following random tips. And avoid putting all your money in one place. Build a habit. Invest automatically every month, no excuses. Finally, remember this. Earning $12 an hour doesn't limit your future. Staying financially uneducated does. If you learn how money works, invest early, stay consistent, and upgrade your income slowly. You will reach financial freedom. You don't need luck. You need discipline. So here's the real secret. Wealth is not built by people who earn the most, but by people who manage and multiply what they earn. Even a beginner earning $12 an hour can become a millionaire simply by understanding how money grows, how to invest consistently, and how to avoid financial traps that keep most people broke. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. There is no perfect time. Every day you delay, you lose the power of compounding. Every day you invest, your future becomes stronger. Whether it's $10, $50, or $200, start with what you have. What matters is the habit, not the amount. And understand this clearly. Your job income will feed you, but your investments will free you. The people who build real wealth don't rely on a single salary. They rely on assets, stocks, funds, dividends, and long-term growth. If you stay consistent for the next 10, 15, or 20 years, you'll look back and thank yourself for starting early. Tell yourself today, I may earn $12 an hour right now, but I'm building $1 million future. Because that's exactly what you're doing, brick by brick, dollar by dollar, month by month. Now it's your turn. Calculate how much you can invest this month. Set up an automatic deposit. Choose one simple, beginner-friendly investment, maybe an S&P 500 index fund, and commit to it. This is how ordinary people become extraordinary. This is how beginners become investors. And this is exactly how someone earning $12 an hour can still reach $1 million with patience, consistency, and smart habits.